Welcome to the Dog Kids Testing Show. Today we're going to make Sally eat cake. Sally sausage time.
You need on sheet.
Dog
Kids Testing Show.
Dog Kids Testing Show. The ingredients you need is cherries, maple syrup, unsweetened soy milk, cocoa powder, baking powder, and then flour, wheat flour. First, we need 1 cup of whole wheat flour. No, that's my baby. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. Now store the powder. 1. One scoop of unsweetened soy milk. 1 cup of maple syrup.
1/4 cup. Wait.
2 spoons of cocoa powder.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Stirring it together. Stir. This is the tricky sides. Okay, guys. If you need a clear bowl, you can see it if it's missed together. It needs a couple more. Okay, it's a little bit right here. There we go. All done. Now we need to pour it in the pan. Oh, that is yummy. Flatten it out. You do is better, but you better when it taught. 1 or 2 of any type of berries.
What do we have today, Clark?
Well, now we're having a sausage Sally cake. We're going to do 2. Put it out. So it can be after Sally.
Yeah, we don't have a whole lot left, so you could probably just dump the rest of the bag in there.
Dump it?
Sure, go for it.
We did not dump it. Just dump it. Over there.
Yeah, and then spread them out so they are a layer on top. You can use your hand. Spread them around.
Yummy. Now we just let these Sally. Now what can we do?
Now we put it in the oven.
Now we put it in the oven.
But are you going to do that, or is Mom going to do that?
I am.
No.
Mom.
It's too hot for you.
Why not?
Because we preheated it to 350. Hey everyone, so I'm about to take the cake out of the oven, but while I do that, I thought I'd experiment making some chocolate syrup to put on top. Probably sounds good. The kids are off playing, so I'm just going to do this real quick. I just have equal parts of date in warm water. Been letting it soak for about 5 minutes or so just to soften up. And then cocoa powder and maple syrup. And you could do this in larger batches, but since I don't know if this is going to turn out or not, I'm just doing a small batch. This is the cake out of the oven. It's been right at 45 minutes, so I'm just going to test it to see if it's done. Nope, not quite. The outside is, but the middle's not quite done. So maybe another 10 minutes. Okay, so the maple syrup's done, and I'm just putting it into the same little containers I put the ingredients in, so that way I don't have to dirty up more dishes. There's still a few big date chunks, so I could have either blended it longer, or probably if I let the dates soak for longer, if I let them soak for like 30 minutes or an hour, then they would have blended up easier, gotten softer. So just for future reference, I will soak them longer or in hotter water, so that way they blend easier. It's really good. If you like dark chocolate, this is really good. Just pulled the cake out of the oven, did it an extra 10 minutes, so a total of 55 minutes. And it looks delicious. Yum. I'll let it cool for a few minutes, and then we'll cut it and put a little bit of maple chocolate syrup on top and see if the kids like it. Lick the whole thing. Okay, let's try the cake. Here, just take a bite out of it. There you go. There you go, there you go.
It's solid. Yum.
Do you like it, Emrose?
I like it.
What do you think, Emrose?
Wow.
You need a towel.
It's so yummy, but it's so messy.
Yeah, but it's delicious. Y'all like the chocolate syrup on it?
Yeah. Got the cake!
You telling your sister it's ready? Just a little update. We ate the entire cake in one sitting. Everyone had 2 pieces. Is it good? Yeah. And I'm about to enjoy mine.
Don't taste the